Hi guys. So one of my clients wanted to reproduce this vehicle. It's out of the world of tanks, but it actually did exist. It's an M4A1, a French. I call it the ravioli. They call it Revalorise. I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, it's basically an M4A1, but with the original 105 Israeli gun mounted on it. So it was a very clean vehicle, as you can see. No side skirts or anything like that. So here is what we've come up with so far. We still have a few details to put on it, things like the cages that protect the periscopes and some of the little side tool mounts, but most of it is there's complete. It's about 95% complete. So we'll just get into here and just do a function test. So let's try some turret action. So that's about half stick. That's full stick. So it's very fast. I still might put a resistor on it just to slow it down. But if you do like half stick, quarter stick, you can get it to rotate properly at the speed it should go. All right, and then we have elevation. Pretty good elevation action in this one, especially when you have such a long barrel. Again, this is like half stick. This could all be adjusted on the end points too. All right, so that looks pretty good. All right, we're going to try some gunfire now. The main gun. As you can hear too, it's got a big custom speaker in it, so it's quite loud. Well, let's check out some lights. We got headlights. And we have taillights. Let's look at the machine gun again. Hopefully you can see it this time. And you can also see the IR emitter on the barrel here. It's quite bright, so that's going to make it a pretty good killer. Get some recoil. And nice bright flash. And now we'll do some, bring this back down, and we'll do some engine startup. And we'll just run the dry run the tracks here. Engage the clutch. Pretty quiet, not bad. The rear idlers have bearings in them. The rest of it's just stock, basically for the headlong. I don't know if we can see it here, but we do have a smoker in it. See if we can get some smoke going here. It takes a while for these smokers to warm up. Makes a little bit of smoke there. You don't want a lot of smoke in these anyway. The tanks didn't really smoke like they're on fire or anything. Some guys make them. Yeah. And this gives you a little bit of idea of the extra detail work done on the back. Hatch is all open. Custom made barrel gun travel lock. Just little things, smoke emitters, rail around the back of the turret. All in all, pretty good. It's going to have a cloth cover here as well. So let's just dry run this again. So there you have it. Hopefully Ray likes this one. Thanks for looking. As always, subscribe to my channel. There's lots of videos of tanks and different custom builds on there that you can look at. Thanks again.